Sorry about the setting up, but I really wanted to show you the demonstration of how AI is being used in workflow and diagnostics. So I thought that it would be good to hook things up. But um, thank you everyone for bearing with me so late. I think it has been a marathon day for you all. Quickly to start, I'm here to talk about AI in diagnostics and workflow. What better to talk about the company and how we are doing and what are we doing to solve for these specific use cases. But more importantly, we are a bunch of entrepreneurs, developers, product people who really feel that AI can solve a lot for healthcare. Just to start, maybe a quick sort of a short video from Demis Hassabis on what he means that AI can do. And you all know about the 24 Nobel Prize in chemistry has gone to him for the AI innovation on the protein structure. But yeah, let's listen
10
to him.
years and billions of dollars to design just one drug. We can maybe reduce that down from years to maybe months or maybe even weeks, which sounds incredible today, but that's also what people used to think about protein structures. It would revolutionize human health, and I think one day maybe we can cure all disease with the help of AI.
The end of disease?
I think that's within reach. Maybe within the next decade or so. I don't see why not.
So I think it's a pretty profound statement, which basically says that the end of disease, and thanks to AI. And what our hypothesis is that the way internet has revolutionized how commerce happens or how people do transactions, or mobile revolutionized the way fintech works, and so on and so forth. I think AI is meant for health, and there will be super innovations that we can see on health thanks to AI. And what we are focusing on is, as the title of the presentation says, which is the diagnostic as well as the workflows. What today we see in the world all around is the fatigue around documentation, structured to unstructured, claims process also a lot more operational heavy. How can we solve for that? And especially looking at India as a lens, but then going out global as well. So what we do at ACA today is to build these specialized models. These are fine-tuned models on vision, audio, and text. They bring the AI capabilities such as health document understanding, and I'll give a demonstration of that, or medical speech understanding, and we'll do a small demo of that as well as the clinical text, where you can talk to the bot, you can talk to the AI, to get very relevant answer that are India-centric. Like an AI should know what a Zorolac tablet is, which is being prescribed in India and not in the US, and so on and so forth. Also, things such as protocols, be it IAP protocols or RSSDI protocols, and so on and so forth. The software solutions that we built has a knowledge base of all of that. Think of ACA Care as an horizontal health AI platform. All of these models that we create, they basically work as APIs or as a standalone products. You use OpenAI ChatGPT application. Similarly, you use those APIs as well. Today at ACA, there are millions of patients who have used our patient app. There are many, many doctors, they have used our retail doctor app. These you can download from the stores and start using it. But if you are an enterprise, you can use our developer APIs to build these AI solutions for your specific customers. Google, Fujifilm, Metropolis, Medanta, Samsung, if you download their health app, the medical record section is powered by these APIs that I'm going to be demonstrating on. These models that we have developed, they fare well when it comes to the benchmarks as well. Why? And these benchmarks are specifically for India-centric use cases. These India-centric use cases are Indian symptoms. In India, people don't say that I have a headache. In India, people say, mera kapad fat raha hai, or I have a gola aa raha hai mere ko pet mein. All of these sort of the symptoms that people talk about. And when you talk to that in whisper, it might not understand. But then when we fine-tune this model, and we'll use one of that in the demonstration, you would see that we'll get a far better accuracy. We do a lot of contributions also to the community when it comes to our models, the AI data sets that we have curated. You can download this from Hugging Face. If you want to run them on your own GPUs, you can do that. Obviously, they are not exactly the models that are running for ECA. They are one version behind what we run behind our APIs, but they still are very powerful and give you a much better outcome, like a Parrotlet V, which is a video model or a vision model, gives you a better capability than any other vision model. This is fine-tuned on Quen. All of this also is exposed on our modern agentic pipeline. These agentic pipelines are, we call it MedAssist and Scribe. Think of all the Parrotlet data, all the Parrotlet models are doing, plus the knowledge bases, plus the multiple agents that are running together to finally bring the consumer experience that is required for the doctors, for the enterprises, or for the patient. And with here, I'll quickly go into two of such experiences that today you can see on ECA. What I'm going to do is, this is our EMR. Obviously, this is AI-powered EMR. You look at this particular lab report. This lab report has been pushed through the vision model. And this vision model has not only looked at the lab report as a PDF document, but extracted all the relevant information and also pulled out all the relevant information from your previous records as well to give a summary that can be leveraged as a foundational record and not necessarily just a PDF document. This is being used at many places, be it Medanta, be it even Samsung, etc., to solve for their specific patients' needs as well. But what is very exciting for us is what even Rohit was talking about. How can we solve for the structured clinical data? And that is where the scribe comes into play. So what I've done is I've created a visit for myself. This is the visit. Today, many doctors use this EMR. They have their own templates. They fill the information with this digital native information that can go to any kind of further products such as pharmacy or labs. But what we have seen and what is growing fastest for us is the capabilities that we have built on Scribe using our speech model. What I'm going to do now quickly is run a very small dictation, and you can play with the consultation as well. This can solve for the ambient listening also, where I'm going to talk about a patient, and then let's see how it fills the entire EMR here. So I'll go next. I think I'm on a hotspot. Hope everything works fine. Start the consultation. So patient आए मेरे पास, उन्होंने बताया कि and I know Hindi, so I'm speaking in Hindi. Patient ने बताया कि उनको बुखार है हल्का. I checked, बुखार कुछ 100 के करीब था. मैंने पल्स रेट भी चेक किया. पल्स रेट थोड़ा हाई आ रहा था, 98. Also, SpO2 was fine, 98 as well. Blood pressure was 120/80. Patient also expressed that he has a sore throat. Also, patient mentioned that there is a little bit of cough as well. It seems like it's an upper respiratory tract infection. I think nothing much to worry about. But let's get a CBC test done. Also, let's do a lipid profile just to see if everything is going fine inside. I would prescribe a patient Dolo 650. जब भी बुखार हो तभी लेना, और in between at least 6 घंटे का gap होना चाहिए. Also take Allegra 120 mg once in a day for 6 days after dinner. खाने के बाद भरे पेट में. Also, patient should avoid taking any spicy food. सुबह शाम गर्म पानी, हल्के कुनकुने पानी के गरारे ज़रूरी है, वो कीजिए. थोड़ा भाप लीजिए. Also, patient ने बताया कि उनके घर में मदर को थायराइड है और वो ऐसे कुछ अल्कोहल या स्मोकिंग वगैरह नहीं करते. So this is like a small dictation that I did. I'll stop it. Oh my God. This is the first time the network itself has gone. I'm sorry about that. Maybe. So what would happen is this basically would read all of these information. We'll go ahead and yeah, the network is just not helping me with the demonstration. But I'll go back to the presentation then. It would have captured all the information, filled it exactly in those forms, and then took it to the next level as a prescription. But much sorry about it. I have time's up, but quickly moving forward, fastest growing health tech startup, lots of doctors, developer platform is something that we are very excited about. If you are healthcare startups, we would love for you to explore our APIs, the models that we have created. Eka Care's flywheel is that we work with a lot of providers. We digitize a lot of data, more than 100 million plus records. That eventually means that we have been able to train, obviously with anonymized, aggregated as well as consented data, all of these models that are now solving for the capabilities that I wanted to demonstrate, which would lead to improved digital adoption. These are the 4 solutions that we offer around diagnostics, workflows, and so on and so forth. And thank you very much.